Congratulations on your new refrigerator. Let's begin by learning how to use the control panel. Starting with unlocking the control panel. By default, control panel will be in a locked condition. To unlock, simply touch and hold turbo cool button for 3 seconds. Setting cooling level. Press set cooling button to change temperature from cold to coldest. Each press of the button increases the cooling level, giving you precise control. Once you've chosen your desired level, wait for 3 seconds for setting to confirm and store setting. Setting your temperature is that simple. Turbo Cool Mode. This feature rapidly cools ice making compartment, perfect for quickly chilling food or making ice. To activate, press Turbo Cool button until LED turns on. The cooling levels will automatically advance from cold to coldest. To deactivate feature, press Turbo Cool button again until LED light turns off. For quick cooling, use this mode. Avoid using Turbo Cool during defrosting as it will interrupt process and can cause ice to build up. Setting up defrost. This fridge comes with an auto defrost mode, which automatically defrosts the excess frost buildup in ice making compartment. To enable the mode, press and hold the auto defrost button for 5 seconds. The LED light will be lit up steadily, indicating that the auto defrost mode has been selected. The light will blink continuously when the defrost is in process. The auto defrost mode can be disabled by holding the auto defrost control for 5 seconds, in which case the LED light will turn off. You can choose to activate manual defrost by pressing and holding Turbo Cool and auto defrost buttons for 3 seconds. The defrost LED light will blink continuously when the defrost is in process. After the defrost process is completed, the LED light will turn off, indicating that the machine is in manual defrost setting. The manual defrost is also the default factory setting. Be aware that in auto defrost mode, you might see icicles form below ice making compartment, which is a normal occurrence. While defrosting is active, set cooling display and cooling levels will turn off, and you will not be able to adjust temperature. If defrost is activated while Turbo Cool mode is running, it will override Turbo Cool and may cause temperature inside to rise temporarily. Recommended cooling settings. For best results, we recommend season-wise cooling level settings to help you achieve the best performance. Note: if the control panel is not used, it will automatically lock after 7 seconds and red lock icon will turn on. If your hand accidentally brushes panel while opening door, lock icon will blink twice, letting you know panel is still locked. Godrej Edge Impress. Smart cooling at your fingertips.